playing. The older gopis, the younger gopis, the coward men. Well, this is a Dadikada game. And Chandravali and other Yuteshwaris are playing also, becoming mad playing, accompanied by dancing, singing, and playing on musical instruments. Mukura and the elderly gopis are dancing in the middle like they do, wielding sticks, like that. What do they call that dance of the sticks? Gaudiya dance. So so when your grandmother is carrying a stick, watch out. If your grandmother picks up a stick and starts dancing towards you, you better behave yourself. So everyone throws yogurt. Everyone's throwing yogurt, and they're throwing milk, and they're throwing ghee and buttermilk and butter and oil and turmeric, haldi and sandalwood paste and vermilion, red powder and water and saffron water at each other. So they're really exciting flavors and fragrances and colors streaming. Out of excitement, everyone forgets. Who's superior and who's junior, who's big, who's small. That sounds nice. And everyone begins to pelt everyone else. Wait, this is English. Everyone else pelt everyone else with yogurt and milk. The thrown yogurt and milk form streams that are flowing through the drains like a virtual river of yogurt and ghee and all the. When the butter forms balls in the drains and thus causes the drains to clog. The butter forms balls and it clogs the drains. Small lakes of milk and yogurt are being formed in the outer courtyards. Later, when these stoppages are removed, the released milk and yogurt streams away fast as rivers. When the devatas in the sky see this Dadikada festival, they shower flowers, and some of them assume human forms, Manushrup, and they start dancing among the cowherds. In other words, when there's a party going on, you can't resist yourself. If you're a young person going by and you see some of your friends having a party, and they say, "Wow, they didn't invite me, but the hell, I'm going," you know. So you just join. Hey, you came. Oh, I forgot to invite you. Anyway, it's a party. So then, even the devatas came to earth to join the party. No one wants to miss a party. The dancing, the fun, the music. And if they're lucky, they may get some Mahaprasad yogurt thrown in their face. Hey, Indradev. Hey, Chandra. Hey, Varun. Hey, Sridev. Oh, yeah, Mahaprasad. Jeez. They assume the singers and players, male and female, they start dancing in ecstasy, and the poets and panegyrists are blessed by singing the glories of Gokul and Sri Krishna. After the Dadikada game, in this way everyone proceeds to Pavan Sarovar to take a bath, to wash all those colors off, all that saffron water and sandalwood paste and red powder. What a mess. Clothes are all messed up. So now everyone goes to Pavan Sarovar. They play in the water. In the northern Ghat, Brajaraj, Nanda, Maharaj Vrishabhanu and others. In the eastern Ghat is Balaram, Krishna and the coward boys. In the southern Ghat, that's the southern side of Pavan, Brajeshri Yashoda, Kirtida Mata, because they're bathing, so all the women are separated. All the women and the Pavan Sarovar is huge, so the far north is one group of men, and the far south is another group of ladies. They're all separated. They're in very paka, proper sadachar and behavior. And Radharani Chandravali in the Kirtida Mata in the Western Ghat. And Eastern Ghat is Balaram, Krishna. So Eastern Ghat is Krishna and the Western Ghat is Radharani. Opposites attract each other. And then Kirtida Mata in the Western Ghat, Sri Radha. Chandravali and others start playing in the water, splashing each other. When they climb back on the shore, their servants and manjaris wipe off their bodies, dry their bodies, massage them with oil, and give them another bath. After this, they dry them again and dress them in fresh, dry clothes. Everyone returns to Nanda Raja's palace. Of course, remember, this is the afternoon of Ashtami. This is how Krishna celebrates his birthday every year. Yogurt, feast and dancing and singing and throwing yogurt at everybody, then going splashing in the water. Really a bliss party. And then when they go back, everyone returns to the Nanda Maharaj's palace. Then Nanda Maharaj gives everyone, according to this position, a free, gifts of clothes and ornaments. Brajeshri does the same with the lady guests. Everyone is then dressed and decorated by these gifts by their own servants and mandris, maidservants. Then Nanda Maharaj first seats the Brahmins in the courtyard and feeds them the most exquisite sweets and fried things. Because remember, Brahmins always like to eat paka paka bhog. Kachoris, ladus, rasgulla, chaka chak bhog. So fried things, only fried. Don't give me anything steamed. Fried, deep fried. Brahmins. After the Brahmins have eaten to their full satisfaction, Mother Yashoda has the brahmacharis call everyone for the feast. Wow. Feasting and resting. Brajeshri Mata orders the brahmacharis. Oh, there's that. Then Nanda Maharaj sits down with Vrishabhana Maharaj and his sons, friends, fellow villagers in a large courtyard and blissfully starts feasting. Just like the previous day on Saptami, now it's Astami feast. Krishna's Janamotsav feast. No one is fasting. Anusharan, Anukaran. Anukaran means to imitate. It's a big feast in there. Chaka chak. But we're doing Anusaran, we're following Guru and Shastra to fast on this day. And Krishna says, anyone who fasts on this day, Janmashtami, and observes Jagran will come to me, Sakshat Nandalaya, and go directly to Krishna. Stay up all night and don't eat anything, you'll go directly to Krishna at the end of this life. Sri Krishna Bhagavan ki jai. You can't keep empty belly for one day to go to Krishna.